Hey everyone! So today on Lemon Reacts, Lemon is going to react to Ferret Puppet! Hello there everyone, how are you? I'm a good ferret. Hi. Hi. DJ, uh, 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 yeah, hi. Well, see you soon! Okay, so everyone, here's Lemon and here's the Ferret Pup. Lemon? Hi, Lemon. What? You don't want to see your ferret friend? Oh, you're getting raw. Okay. Okay, yeah, you're thirsty. Hi, Lemon. I'm your friend. Please come see me. Please. Oh, well, drink up. Okay, everyone, we'll be back in 1 second. Okay, so Lemon just got back from her water break, and now she's gonna react to Ferret. Hi, hi, Lemon. Hi, hi. Hello. Hi. Hi there. Ah. He's not. You don't really like him, do you, Lemon? Oh, you just want to lick Hedgehog. I see. Hello. Hi. Oh, Lemon, why are you biting him? Did he just bite you? He's a. I don't know. Lemon, don't bite. Ow! Lemon, look, it's your friend Ferret. Oh, wow. Ow! Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, so, well, I think we got the answer to this Lemon React video, right, everyone? Lemon doesn't really like Ferret. Like, I mean, I've seen this before, but she just really doesn't like him for some. Hi, Lemon. Can I be your friend? Oh, are they buddies now? Oh, they're buddies now. Okay, everyone. Well, we'll see you next time on Lemon Reacts.